Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I did these pink flame nails with Ombre Bling. And this design is inspired by Dellaresse from Instagram. If you do not know who she is, her Instagram is poppin', and I will leave a link down below. Alright, so for this look, I'm using tips, and I picked these tips up from Sally's, and these are their precision fit plus size tips. They are a little bit bigger, but I do love that they do not have that curve in them. They're rather flat, so I can build my own base and my own apex and all of that. So I will be gluing these on using the IBD brush on 5-second glue, and I just place some glue into the well of the nail and place that onto my nail. So like I said, these tips are a little bit bigger. For the most part, they fit pretty well, except for my pinky fingernail. It was a little too wide, so I did have to shape that one. But other than that, I really like the tips and I like the shape. So once I have them all glued on, I'm just going to shape my coffin tips. So this is after I have shaped and blended the tips, and I'll be using Long Hair Pretty Nails Pink Nude Acrylic, and I'm going to prep with Nail Nails Nail Prep Dehydrator and No Lift Nails Primer. So I place one coat of primer on all of my nails, and then right before I begin acrylic application, I apply another coat of primer. And while that primer is still wet, I'm gonna go ahead and lay my acrylic. So I like to place my first bead right above where the tip starts, and I'm just going to work that down the nail and blend it and make it nice and pretty and all of that. And I'm just going to add beads where I see fit and just build the nail up nice and neat. And the brush I'm using, of course, is my number 8 Alpha Kolinsky brush. I will leave a link down below to this brush and my coupon code if you guys are interested. And I just repeat the same thing for all of the nails. Alright, so this is after all of the acrylic is laid and set, and I'm going to be doing my shaping and filing. And as you can see, I picked up a new nail dust collector from GearBest. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen this. But yeah, this is a larger, higher quality dust collector. It does have 3 fans in it, and it has a very nice cushion area. It's really nice quality, and I will leave a link down below. But so far so good. I really like it. So this is after all the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed. And now I'm going to be applying these gel polishes from Elite 99, and I picked these up from GearBest as well. And I have colors 1477 and 1530. So I'm starting off with the lighter pink color, and I'm going to use this as a base for all of the nails except for my ring fingernail. And I'm just going to use my Alpha Gel brush to clean up any areas. So I applied 2 coats of this polish and cured, and now I'm gonna go in with my ombre nail, and I'm using the darker pink color, and then I'm using that lighter pink color that I used for the base, and then I'm using this soft pink color from Love Jazzery, and I'm just putting all of these onto a makeup sponge. And I'm just going to dab them onto my ring fingernail to create a nice ombre between the colors. And yeah, I needed to add more pink because my nail is very long, so I had to take that baby pink further down the makeup sponge. So that's just what I'm doing here, is just adding more polish. And I'm just lightly dabbing. You don't want to press too hard because you'll pick up all of your gel polish. So I clean up the cuticle areas before I cure. And now I'm going in with my second coat. And I felt like I needed a little more at the tip, so I'm just taking that baby pink color and putting it at the tip, and then I'm just kind of dabbing it with the tip of the makeup sponge, and I'll go ahead and cure that. So onto the flame, I'm using this yellow and red gel polish from Love Jazzery. And my Alpha detail brush, and I'm just going to start with the yellow gel polish and form my flame. So FYI, I am working with my non-dominant hand, so this took a long time. I went ahead and sped this footage up, but yeah, this took me forever. But yeah, if some of you don't know, I am left-handed, so I'm working on my left hand with my non-dominant right hand. So, you know, it was doable, but it really did take like a long time. But yeah, this was like my first time doing this flame design. So I kind of just, you know, looked at pictures and kind of see what I wanted to do. And yeah, just, you know, take my time in forming the flame. And then I also cleaned off the detail brush and cleaned up the areas where I see fit. And that's the beauty of gel polish. You can, you know, add more polish or clean it up as many times as you need to get it right before you cure. But yeah, this was a very tedious process, especially working with my non-dominant hand. Alright, so after the first coat is done, I went ahead and cured that in my LED lamp. And now I'm just going to apply a second coat of the polish. and just making sure I cover all of the areas so that yellow really pops and there isn't any like spaces or anything like that. All right, so this is after doing the flames on both of my nails, and I went ahead and cured. So now I am going in with the red gel polish, and I'm just going to outline the flame and just try to make this line as thin as possible. I know in some areas it does look really thick, but like I said, you go ahead and clean it up before you cure, and no one will ever know. All right, so this is after the flames are complete. And now I'm going in with Swarovski and iridescent crystals. And I'm using the Poochie's Nails Bling Gel and the Poochie's Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat to apply these crystals. So I start off with the Bling Gel and I apply that using my Alpha Gel brush. And she has discontinued this Bling Gel, but to me it just works like a regular builder gel, so you can probably try that out with your favorite top coat and see if that works out for you. But for me, this is the perfect combination to keep my stones on like forever, like they never fall off. So yeah, I just went ahead with that Bling Gel, and without curing, I put a coat of the gel top coat on top of it, and then I apply my crystals. So I start off with the dark pink Swarovski crystals, and I do 3 rows of those, and then I move on to the lighter pink crystals. And then finally at the tip, I put the iridescent crystals, and it gives the most beautiful ombre. I was a little upset that because these stones are pretty big, they kind of moved before I was able to get them in the LED. So there is a slight space on my cuticle area that is kind of irritating me, but it's okay. So anyway, after curing the bling nail, I'm going to go in with the Poochie's Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat and apply that to the rest of the nails. And I went ahead and cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Next, I'm going to apply this cuticle oil. So this is the finished look. This design is so bomb. I've been seeing this all over Instagram, and I just knew that I had to try it. Follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see a first look of all of my nail designs before I post them on YouTube. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail design. Head over to longhairprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next one.